What we have here is the Klein Tools adjustable hole saw. It cuts from 2.5 inch to 7-inch holes. Comes included with a dust cover and the cutting blade. Also, it has an Allen wrench to adjust the different size holes that you need, from 2.5 to 7 inch. Make sure to tighten down the chuck so that it can't spin out on you. All right, now we're going to drill the hole. Through the clear plastic, you can see the center of your hole. Complete. 7-inch hole done. With the supplied Allen key, you go ahead and you can loosen up the cutting blade and slide it down to the dimension you need. Once you've got your measurement for what you need, you just tighten it back down, make sure that it's tight so that the blades don't bounce on you. And once again, you're ready to make another cut. You can notice that all the dust is contained inside the catcher. Complete. There you have it. Different size holes can be used from sprinkler head to large holes for lighting.